What's the SOTEO and why does it matter to you? SOTEO stands for the State of the European Union. In September, the President of the European Commission addresses the members of the European Parliament. In this speech, the President looks back at the past year. It reflects on the challenges ahead, on what citizens expect from Europe, and sets the goals for the future. So next time you hear State of the European Union, here's what it really means.
It's more than a speech. It's about turning Europe's vision into concrete actions that have an impact on your daily life.
Like supporting businesses in your region to create new jobs, preparing for disasters such as floods or fires, investing in energy to lower electricity bills and to help with clean transition. Take the European Chips Act, announced in SOTEO 2021. Today, new factories are creating thousands of jobs and making sure you don't wait months for a car or phone because of missing chips. Or the European Media Freedom Act, proposed in 2022. Now governments must be transparent about how they fund media, and journalists are better protected, giving you more independent, reliable news. SOTEO is the moment to set priorities together. You can watch live on our channel and the EU portal.